All right, so hopefully the practice went well for you guys. I'm just going to go through the problems now. The first problem had you fill in a table to match this graph. So you're just looking for these x values and plugging in what the y value was. So at 0, x was 3. At 1, x is 5. Now you might say, okay, Mrs. Schroeder, there's no more graph left. But we know things about equations or lines, relationships that are linear. This growth pattern is going to stay the same. So for 2, it would end up being 7. For 3, it would be 9 because it's growing by 2 each time. Okay, hopefully that didn't trick you too much. The start of the table or the start of the line gave us the growth. We see that the growth triangle here is 2 over 1 up 2, so that's going to stay consistent throughout. So that should be your table. Let's cut it off. Okay, so for this one, we were making a graph to match, oops, it's still cut off. Graph to match this table here. So all I'm going to do is take these points and put them on this graph. Again, I know that maybe some of you don't have the capabilities to graph at home, but hopefully you got creative and were able to think of something. Okay, I'm just going to make a little dot here that I can reuse. So we have a point at 0, -2. We also have a point at 1, 1. And we have a point at 2, 4. Okay, and again, similar to the last one, this last point doesn't fit. That's okay. I hope that didn't throw you off. We have enough here to make our line. I make my line go straight through these points. There we go. So that's what your line should have looked like for this table.